Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Thursday, June 25th. The market are going to turn negative in a few seconds. That's what I was thinking at since this morning. That's how it looks like, because the China market, the Japan market entered in a correction. The London market is in a correction too. I don't see any reason why the US market should have kept going this morning, even though it rose on the upside quite a bit. And but I will analyze it with you. Let's go. This is a short show, so I got to show you a couple of things here just about the news. Commercial metal is breaking out strongly today, but I suspect to have something else, not only the financial result, because they have made a way better from 39 cents to 58 cents, so it's a big percentage of increase, but they have 13% less revenue. So, I have a serious doubt about this thing. It may be just a number here and there, but it's amazing to see this. Maybe there is something else. It's still a nice technical signal. Accenture is going up too, from 123 to 130. Bed Bath & Beyond has plunged at the opening but came back, and now it was expected because they only had 1 cent less from 94 to 93. And no diminution in the sales, with an increase of 3%. And Shaw Communication from 50 to 42 is going up, so doesn't make sense, but Interactive Corp is breaking out also today because they reported that they will pursue an initial public offering of its Match Group, which includes online dating site Match.com, OkCupid, and Tinder. IAC said Match will issue less than 20% of its common stock in the IPO. General Mills is cutting job, and also we have Netflix here that's just saying that they are entering in India, but it also been reported that those that did it before has experienced serious internet speed problem in India. and I know what they're talking about. And Vale, world's largest nickel producer, is considering selling about 25 to 30% of its base metal business in initial public offering too. So, but they have it already, you know, so they'll probably just split the company, like make two out of it, and isolate some of their metals in another company. That's what it looks like. And I just don't understand that movement on the chart here. Something's funny about it. And this is a placement of 25 million at 387 a share. So why did the stock jump up at 7 today? I have no clue. And Orico Gold and Alamos Gold are going to merge. Orico does nothing, and Alamos keeps going down as the gold is doing. IAMGOLD intersect a high-grade gold at Monster Lake project, and they have that mined with Toma Gold, and Toma Gold is not reacting at all. And Grand Tierra rose at the opening and came right back because the only reason was because Canaccord did upgrade the stock. My plus 5 on Nasdaq, plus 7 on New York, and minus 27 on the TSX. And what's going on here is, look, it's not. It doesn't prove a lot, you know. Look, it's pushing up here on Nasdaq, but you know, just avoiding to begin a more serious correction. While on the Dow Jones, it started on the upside. I wouldn't be surprised to see a quote ending that way today, because that's the range the Dow Jones has been since February. You know, look at this. It's so long, sideways formation. So to me, it's coming back down here. And the bullish cycle of the TSX is also over. Now it's just like the end of this bullish cycle. So we'll go through most of the sector, see what's going on. And the crude oil is going down on within its sideways movement. And there's actually no direction there. So, the crude oil is going down, the gas is going up, and the stocks are going down. Actually had reversed the last bullish cycle, or the last pullback here, and you see, so it's been reversing. And now, if you look at that here, I'm going to shoot to you on a very short period of time, and that's what it is. So still, the sector could break down once more, because it's been touching this level quite a few times this morning. And so nothing is positive on the energy sector. If you bought at the bottom or at the beginning of the bullish cycle, I seriously consider that you should maybe clear some of those positions if they deserve to, because if you have advantage, I don't think there is any emergency to quit right there. And the gold is very stable, slightly down today, while the gold stock are way lower, as you see here on the index, and also going down and putting some more pressure here. There are, and it is a very important support. So if the gold goes down again, and the gold stock breaks down here again, it's going there. So I mean, if you have many gold stock and the gold sector accelerate on the downside, which is doing right now, you look at this. Oops, ouch! It's just showing its big toe under the support level here, so it doesn't look good at all. And the mining has also reversed last bullish cycle. Look at this on the 10 days period. So that's where it happened, right here this morning, and this is over. No more pullback, no more bullish cycle, and the sector is simply right now retaking its downtrend initiated not long ago, just a few days ago. +5, +3 in Nasdaq in New York. And right here, okay, so it's just about to be negative again. Look at this on the Dow Jones. But you know, as it happened already 3 times this morning, it can come back. It's not impossible, but it looks like it's going to go down. And the TSX is right now breaking down once more at minus 36. So there was some sector that really helped the situation this morning, but they no longer do that. Look at the energy sector, just broke down again too. So we're going lower on the energy stocks, and the mining are very fragile right now too. And the gold stocks are also pushing down once more. And while what helped the market this morning was like consumer discretionary went up and down, and then suddenly right back up. But look at this; it was just temporary, because right now it seems like it's going to lose all what it wants today. And the staples is the same. At one point, it was really helping the TSX, but not anymore. And it certainly can break down as the financials are reversing this morning downtrend as well. So I think we're going to get a little bit bigger on that negative number today. And the industrials are looking so bad at the moment. You know, I haven't seen the sector in this situation. Actually, the stocks in this situation. Look at the Canadian CP this morning, breaking through another support. And this is such an important support that I have showed so many times recently. There are so many stocks way up on their uptrend, sitting on a multiple support here, and on the breakdown, it will really enter a bear market phase. And there are lots of stocks like this, and even CNR is pushing down. So at a very important support level, him too. No, they both look the same, and there are tons of stock looking like that. So right now, nothing is really favorable for a buy-in this morning, and I think there are a few things where we should be cautious about, which is the energy, the mining, the gold, and even some sector like the industrial sector. So I think at this point in time, reducing the risk on your portfolio might be one of the best things to do.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients, and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Okay, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here, I have a question here from Mario. He says, what do you think about CBLI? I don't really know. You know, it just doesn't make sense at all with the news. I'm going to read the news again. Cleveland Biolab enters into a private placement agreement with strategic investor for $25 million equity financing, 6.4 million shares for $3.87 a share. Why does the stock jump that much and being the double of its price today? I don't know. But you know, I think it's a stock to watch, and it's going to be fun over the next few days. And I did it. I said it right this morning. So you know, this morning when you looked at it, after going up and coming back down to its support, the stock has given several buy signal intraday wise here. until it was over. Like the last signal here has been a bad signal, so there was an exit point there. So quite a few gain here, a little loss here, and the story may not be over, because usually when the stock jumps that much, there is a reason why, even though we don't know what it is and we do not understand, and that's the reason why we are technical. MTO. Oh yeah, well, what's happening with Methanol? I know. I received so many email from Ron recently. Methanol is issuing a lot of stuff, a lot of news, and I've been waiting for that. So many people are waiting for that. They've been our guests for a few times here, and I've been there too. I have poured myself a big gold bar over there. I've seen the gold there. It's just it's money, so you see my revenue, expense, and all this. But there is something going on here. The volume, look at the volume. The average volume was a way less. Look here, the average volume was about a million. Then maybe 500,000, and then it ended up being about an average of 1 million. But now it's an average close to 1.5 and 2 million. So look at my boxes going up. So and the stock is reversing. So is there really something there? But that's a good feeling that I always have it, and I always suggest with stock in difficulties like that, for those that don't have it, at least to wait for next signal. And let's look how it could look like. It could be like something like this, and the next buy signal would be something like that. But it's still a 5 to 7 cent stock, so you never put the money they cannot afford to lose in something like this. And XAU, that's a go today, but that's not today's question. So XAU, that's it. No, that's XAU. Yeah. Okay, BitGold, that happened yesterday. The volume was increasing here yesterday, and it seems to be okay, but look, you had to look at it very, very closely and say, okay, there was that $4.50 mark there, which is very important. So, and I think, looking at it from today, it's not a buy at all, but it would be at 450, 455. That's my advice. When do you use fast and when do you use slow stochastic for analysis? Buy a stock tanks. Well, look, yeah, I'll make it simple. Forget about fast stochastic. It's a piece of scrap. You can't do anything with it. It's a way too fast. I've never been able to achieve any good result with it. It's just too fast. So you better stay on with the slow and play with the criteria and the formula. And these days it's a very fast slow which means like the 522 that we use most of the time. 522 and 933 are among the best for this slow stochastic. Thank you very much for attending, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow.